In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more in a day with a done-for-you online business that you only have to set up one time. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business because my company cut my pay in half. And that's when I decided I never wanted to get another job again. So that's basically why I started this business. And I've made thousands of dollars with this business so far, multiple 5 figures based on what I'm going to show you today. Okay. So let me break it down how it works. And if you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com at any time. There's a link in my profile. Okay. There's a link in my bio. So this is how an online business works. This business and every business on the planet, by the way. So the first thing is you're selling, you have your offer. Okay. That's the thing that you're selling. It can be a product, an opportunity, or a service. It can be digital or physical. So what I sell is digital products in the e-learning industry. And my top product sells for $1,400. And I didn't create this because it's a done-for-you online business. I didn't create anything. I just set up my business one time and it took me a few hours. Okay. So my top offer sells for $1,400, which means I only need 72 customers to make 100K, which is only 6 customers a month. Do the math on that. Okay. 6 customers a month with this business equals 100K. Of course, disclaimer, results aren't typical. This is a legitimate business, right? I'm not guaranteeing anybody's results. Everybody's journey is different, right? So results aren't typical, so don't be typical, right? So your offer is the thing that you're selling. Your system is what automates your business, okay? We give you a system, a sales funnel, an automated online business. It's out there working for you 24/7. My website is out there working for me 24/7, which allows me to make money in my sleep, right? So what happens is like someone goes to your link, okay? They're going to click here. It's called a capture page. They're going to put their email in. You're building your email list. You're going to learn how to do that. Then they're going to watch videos. The videos are doing the selling for you. And then you're going to have 30 emails to start. You're going to learn how to do email marketing, and we give you 30 emails to start. So every time they put their email in, it's going to trigger the automations. So they're going to get an email from you every single day following up with your lead, which your lead is your potential customer. Okay. And then they can go to your website at any time and they can buy one of your products, right? So they put their email in and they go to the website, or they watch the videos, they go to the website, or they get an email from you and they go to the website. That's how an automated online business works. And I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. Okay. So offer, the thing you're selling, system, the thing to automate your business. And then the strategy is basically advertising and marketing, because this is how you get customers. There's 4 ways to get customers. There's paid ads, there's warm outreach, there's cold outreach, and there's free content. So we teach you the free content strategies. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to pay for ads. Okay. So we have a 2-hour workday that we teach, right? A 2-hour workflow. So basically, this is what I do myself too. This is how I made thousands of dollars with this business. Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Okay. And we teach you how to do this step by step. Even if you have 0 experience, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a following. We have a community of 58,000 people. So you're going to get coached and mentored from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. They're going to help you build this business. They're going to help you with your marketing and your advertising so you can attract more customers faster. Okay. So post 3 pieces of content a day, go live on social media. That's all you got to do. Post content, go live. This is attraction marketing. This is how we attract customers. Then you just follow up with messages and you go through some training in the program or training inside of our community. That's literally it. That's how this business and every business on the planet works. Okay. So just go to sevenfiguremonk.com, and that's when you're going to have free access to a PDF. It's the Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'm going to give you free access to that. It shows you how to make 10K online with digital marketing. Plus, you can check out all the videos. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails. Check your spam or promotions folder for the word blueprint. Now, let me share my screen with you so I can show you exactly what this business looks like. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So this is what the website looks like. Okay, but before your customer comes to the website, they're going to go through the sales process. They're going to go through the sales funnel. So this is exactly what it looks like. This is the exact same sales funnel that we give you. Okay. So this is a capture page, right? You're capturing people's emails. You can also call it a landing page, or I hear a squeeze page, landing page, capture page. I say capture page because you're capturing people's emails. Okay, so it makes sense. So here's the first part of the sales funnel. This is the first part of the automated system. They go here, they put their email in, okay? And then they're going to go to the next page. This is called a thank you page, okay? They're going to watch a video. This video is doing the selling for you. And then there's testimonies as well on the page, okay? So they watch this video, and then there's another video that we sent out in people's emails. So there's two videos that they're watching so far. And the videos are doing the selling for you. That's what's beautiful. This system, these pages are out there working for you 24/7. This is how you make money in your sleep, right? I've made money in my sleep with this system, right? It's all passive income. Okay. So they can click on one of these buttons and it'll take them to the website. This is what your website looks like. This is a done for you. See, unlock your income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done for you online business, right? So this is what we sell, these educational programs in the e-learning industry. There's 5 in English and 5 in Spanish. So you have 10 income streams because this is also in Spanish too, right? Like if they click here, it'll take it to Spanish, right? So you can get Spanish speaking customers, you can get English speaking customers, global business because we sell digital products. So you can get customers from all over the world. And the top product sells for 14. Like let's say somebody goes here, they purchase the product, you get paid instantly through your payment processor. Okay. So this is basically what the website looks like. And you can you can edit things if you want. You can change some things here and there. But basically I wouldn't really touch it, just leave it as it is. So how would an extra 1,400 per day change your life? That's 42,000 a month and 511,000 a year. Like imagine if you made 511,000, you made over $500,000 a year with this business. Like how would you live? Like what would your life look like if you're making 500,000 a year? Think about it. Spend that money in your mind before you even have it. That's called manifestation. So there's another video. So there's 3 videos that people can watch. The videos are doing the selling. Okay. And this is what sets us apart from most other opportunities, other side hustles. We keep 100% profit. Most businesses that I see, most money making, like make money online things, most of it is like affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing, which means they don't earn 100% profit. Okay. They earn less. And then we have a certification training. So you become a certified reseller of the program. Then like the business is in English and in Spanish. So that means you have more reach. You can get more customers. And we teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT to build your business. There's testimonies on the website. This is your bio section. You just got to put your bio. See, that's me in Florida. That's me in the Bahamas. And that's my bio. You just put your bio in, you put your pictures in. Okay. You're not going to have my pictures on your website. This website is branded to you. So that's the website. And you can see people can get started for 1,400, 900, 100, 300, or 600. So also, if you want to start this business, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs. There's 5 of them. Choose the one that's best for you. Like I invested too. I started with I invested in the $1,400 product because that's the best one. You get everything. So I started with that. And you can only earn at the level that you're at. So if you're at the $1,400 level, you get 10 income streams. You can earn at every level, right? But let's say you're at the $100 level. You can only earn at that level. So you can earn $100 over and over again. Okay, you can only earn at the level that you're at, but you can upgrade later. So let me know if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And then you get all these extra bonuses, like you get access to our community. Then there's all these extra free bonuses that come along with the program as well. Okay, so that's it. Drop questions. If you got questions, let me know. And otherwise, just go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay, so we sell these educational programs, right? What's inside of these programs? Let me show you. I forgot to load that real quick. Okay, so yeah, let me load this. Yep, boom. Okay, so here, this is like your back. This is where the programs are kept. So you have access to your program and your bonuses are here. Your certification training is here. So the programs itself, they teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. Like the first one, phase 1, foundation, like this is like educational programs, okay? So you're going to learn like what's your lifestyle, desired income, how to develop a winning mindset, your brand, your income earning activities. That's phase 1. Phase 2 is get attention and build awareness, okay? So I'm going through all these trainings myself and it's really good. I try to watch one of these trainings every day. I'm learning so much more about mindset and marketing and how to build an online business. That's basically what these programs teach you, how to build an online business, how to do digital marketing, and how to create a variety of income streams, like how to build multiple streams of income. Okay. So that's where you access your program. And then let me show you into the community. As a bonus, you get access to our community. We got about 58,000 people in our community, and people are joining us every single day. So let me show you proof that people are making money here, right? Let me go to the new wins just so I can show you the latest wins. So John, he made $900 this morning. Just had a $900 sale come in at 9 o'clock. He made 900 in the morning, okay? Dennis, he made $1,400 in the morning with that for Dennis. Boom. Lulama, she made $300 during her live, okay? Logan, he made $2,000 in 4 days. Ada, she made a $1,400 sale. Waking up to money, she made $1,400, guys, and she's from South Africa. So this business has created 126 figure incrementers in America, 4 in Canada, and 25 millionaires in South Africa. Okay. Lavona, she made 900. So you can see, look, 900 for Daryl while he's on his live. He made 900. Boom. See, he just made 900 while he was on his live. Okay. So she made 1,400 for Michelle. 1,400 just came in while I was having breakfast. Okay. Boom. There you go. Okay. That's it. So that's the community. Inside of our community, we also have a classroom. So we got bonus trainings here inside of the community. You can watch all these bonus trainings. Okay. And we have, yeah. And that's like getting started. So this is going to show you like what you got to do to get started. It's going to explain the community more. It's going to explain everything more. So you know it's super clear. So you want to start there, getting started and accessing your program. Start there. And then we do 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. Okay. So we get all these bonus trainings there. And then we have a calendar that shows you our live events. Like we have tech calls, we have mindset training, we have millionaire mentoring. We got all these bonuses going on. Okay. And that's pretty much the community, right? So like I said, with this business, you set it up one time and then you're following the 2-hour workflow. So you're just posting content and going live. So just let me show you my YouTube channel, like just to give you some examples. Okay. So like I post content, like I create videos, you know, so either I'm like, my videos are about, they have to do with mindset, marketing, or I'm promoting this business basically. Okay. So like this video is like about promoting this business, right? So I do long form videos over 10 minutes, then I do short form videos. And like, again, my short form videos, I'm basically promoting this business or I'm giving mindset tips or marketing tips. So like you could say if you're promoting this business, it's kind of like an ad. So you want to mix like your business post with value post. You don't like necessarily always want to do business because people might think you're just an ad. So like you want to mix in some value and then mix in some business. At least that's what I like to do. But you can build your business however you want. Okay. But basically I'm just posting content and I'm just attracting customers by posting content. And then I go live too. So you can see my lives are saved. Like all my lives are saved. And most of my lives I'm always going live about this business. Okay. And then I have these other posts. These are more just like value posts, nothing to do with business generally, just giving people value. Okay. So people come to my YouTube channel and they're like, wow, this guy offers a lot of value. I'm going to follow this guy. And then they're like, oh, wow, he's teaching me how to make money online too. That's awesome. So that's it. You post content, people find your content, they go to your website, they buy stuff. So just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay. Go there. It's here. sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the bio, the link's in the profile. Go there, check it out. Check out how the business works. And if you have any questions, reply to my comments. So make sure you like this, save this, share this with somebody who needs it, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I hope you got some value here. Let me know if you need any help with anything. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. God bless.